Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim once again. Today I'm going to show you how you can install a chatbot in your website like this. So this is an e-commerce website and here is a chatbot you can see are connected here, and this is powered by Freshchat. Okay. And why you need to install the chatbot? Okay. So if you have any website, for example e-commerce or service selling, whatever you have, and you have a traffic, right? So if you want to get engaged with your traffic, then this chatbot will help you, because if they, for example, for this website visitor, if they have any query, they instantly open the chatbot and ask anything from their support team. Okay, and in this video you are going to learn how you can install that with Freshchat like this exact same. Okay, so in my previous video I told you how you can account on this kind of platform like Freshchat. This is the Freshchat dashboard. When you make account and log in, then you will see a dashboard. And I have a demo website. This is that, and here is no chatbot, so I want to add that chatbot in that website. So this website made by WordPress. Okay, so how you can install? Go to admin setting of your Freshchat tools, then you need to go the conversion integration. When you click on conversion integration, you will see a option called WordPress integrate messaging in your WordPress site, and if you click on see details, you will see a JavaScript code. You just need to copy it, and if you don't know how to integrate it, then you can click that button which is called click here, and you will see the step-by-step process they already uploaded on their website. Okay, so it's very simple. We just need to add a plugin, and we need to add the JavaScript code inside of that plugin and then make that enable and save changes. Okay, let's do that. Go to website backend, then hit the add new plugin, then search Freshchat, and then hit search, and here you go. Install now, and then activate that. After that, we will see this tools is deactivated, so we need to active that. So how you can do that? You can see this is the new menu. Freshchat is here. Just click on that, and here you can see the box. We need to integrate that code that we get from that website. Just copy it and paste it and make it enable, and then save changes. After that, let's go to website and reload that. I am refreshing again, and let's see what happens. Yes, here it is. So now it's showing on our website, and anyone can chat with us with this chatbot. So here is how you can set up the Freshchat to your website. If you see this video was useful, then you can subscribe to my channel, and if you want, you can like this video. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.